I'm Mac.
And I'm Hannah.
Today I'm just going to talk about our Containers for Change 10-cent temple initiative. Today in Wellbeing, Temple is leading our games and races. The aim of our races is to filter out our Containers for Change, give all the students an insight into the waste that we have to go through every Tuesday morning when we're doing our recycling.
All of this rubbish is pulled out from the 10-cent bins.
So only one piece of rubbish can go in the bins at a time. Any rubbish that isn't supposed to go in Containers for Change needs to be put in the general waste bin. It's a race to see who can do it the fastest.